I'd recommend you update to macOS beta. I've been doing it for years now and I've not really had any issues. If you're interested in doing so, this is what you're going to do. The link for this is going to be in the description below. There's a guide. You click enroll your Mac, and here's the basic steps. Back up your Mac and you enroll your Mac. There's a download link to the macOS public beta access utility, and then you double click on it, you open it up, you're on it. You download the macOS public beta. That's just going to be system preferences, and then go software update. Install the macOS public beta, and then you can stay on it. That's going to be pretty much it. But if that's too much to understand at once, I would recommend betaprofiles.com. You just scroll down, you go macOS 12 download, click install profile. It's basically the same thing, it's just a little bit quicker. Alright, I hope this has been helpful. And once again, once you download the utility, it's pretty immediate. You go to System Preferences, this app, search it up, Software Update, you install it, and just for the fun of it, I'm going to click Restart Now while recording. So, peace.